Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into a strategy that can turn market drops into gains. You guessed it, we're talking about short selling. If you're a young investor looking to expand your portfolio, stick around. This could be a game changer. So, what exactly is short selling? In simple terms, it's a way to profit when a stock's price goes down. Here's how it works. First, you borrow shares of a stock from a broker. These shares belong to another investor, but you don't own them. Next, you sell those borrowed shares at the current market price. For example, if a stock is trading at $100 per share, you sell them at $100. Now comes the waiting game. You're betting that the stock price will drop. Let's say the stock price falls to $80. You can then buy back those shares at the new, lower price. This step is called covering your short. You buy back the shares at $80 and return them to the broker. So you sold at $100 and bought back at $80. Your profit, $20 per share, minus any fees. But hold up, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk risks. The biggest one, unlimited loss potential. If the stock price rises instead of falling, you'll have to buy back those shares at a higher price. Unlike buying a stock, where the most you can lose is your initial investment, short selling can lead to huge losses if the stock keeps climbing. Then there's margin requirements. Brokers often require you to maintain a certain amount of equity in your account. If the stock price goes up significantly, you might face a margin call, meaning you need to add more money to your account to cover potential losses. Don't forget about dividends and borrowing costs. If the stock pays a dividend while you have it borrowed, you're responsible for paying it. Plus, brokers can charge fees for borrowing the shares. Short selling is a double-edged sword: high risk, high reward. It's often used by more experienced investors to profit from falling markets or hedge against potential losses in other investments. So, should you dive into short selling? Make sure you understand the risks and consult with a financial advisor before you start. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more investment tips. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.